everyone, today we're gonna make a tutorial about the CATIA cam, and this is our assignment 2. We come from UTeM, Faculty Mechanical Engineering, and our course is 2 PMCG, and we come from session 1, and I am Lai Fuquan.
My name is Tan Kok Sien.
My name is Li Jiayi. Now we are going to select Start, Mechanical Design and Part Design. The name of our sketching we will set as CAM. Firstly, we would like to select XY plane as our base plane for sketching profile. We would like to select elongated hole as our first profile. Now we are going to modify the dimension of the elongated hole. The height of the elongated hole will be 40. And the length of the elongated hole we will set as 120. Now we are going to set the dimension of the elongated profile so that is symmetry at the y-axis and x-axis. Now we are going to exit workbench. We are going to select the pad icon to pad the profile. The length of the pad structure will be 40 mm. And this is our pad structure. Now we are going to make a pocket in the pad product. So we are going to make a sketch on the surface of the pad profile. Now we are going to select keyhole profile. Now we are going to modify the dimension of the keyhole profile. And now we are going to exit workbench. We are going to select the pocket profile to use on the keyhole profile that we have sketched. And the depth of the hole will be 30. Now we are going to make another shape to be pocketed. And we will exit workbench again. So now we will set the pocket of the profile to be 20. And this is our part design. Now we are going to select Start, Shape, and the Generative Shape Design. And we are going to use rough stock. We will select the part body as our part body. And this is the rough stock of our product. Now we are going to select Advanced Machining. We are going to click the part operation and select the machine And the machine that we use is 3-axis machine. Now we are going to set up the tooling. The tool that we use is going to be tool sample 01. And we are going to click the radius compensation. And now we are going to modify the compensation. The post-processor works table is going to be ppt sample.ppt table. And now we are going to modify the second icon of the cam. We are going to select the edge that we are going to use during machining. This action is to make sure the operation of the machining is started from the edge. Going to modify the design part for stimulation. We are going to select the product that we have sketched just now as our part body. And the stock will be the stock that we created just now. Now we are going to create a safety plan. The safety plan will be the surface of the product. The safety plan is the first surface that the machine touches. And we are going to use this surface as the first part during machining. Now we are going to select manufacturing program. And we are going to select insert, auxiliary operation, tool change, and end mount. And in this tool change, we are going to modify the mount that we are going to use during the machining. We are not going to using the ball end tool because we want the flat machine. Now we are going to select insert, auxiliary operation, tool change, and end mount to select the end of machining operation that we want. And then we are going to select insert again, machining operation, surface machining operation, and we will select wrapping. And now we are going to select manufacturing program to modify the wrapping that we created. And now we will select the rough stock, safety plane, starting point, and the bottom of the wrapping. And the part will be the part that we created just now, part body. And after we created the part, the color of the pink will change to green. Now we are going to create the bottom wrapping of the product. This is the bottom part of the wrapping. And now we are going to create rough stock. We will use the rough stock that we created just now, and now we are going to create a safety plan. The safety plan, we will use the surface of the product. And now we are going to change the two puff style of the wrapping. We are going to use the spiral style because we have many spiral shapes in the product, such as cycle and the keyhole profile. And now we are going to modify the machining mode as the outer part and pockets. And the end, we are going to select the machining tolerance. The machining tolerance we will set as 0.01. And now we are going to select the third icon and we will modify the mount that used. We are not going to use the ball end tool because we need a flat end of the mounting machine. And now we are going to modify the radius of the end of the machine. The radius will be 0. And we will modify the upper diameter of the machine. The diameter will be 10. Okay. We are going to start the simulation by clicking the roughing tool. And we are going to click right click, roughing tool object, replace tool path. And this is going to be the process of our machining. And this is the edge of the elongated hole. This is the elongated keyhole profile, and this is the hexagon. Now we are going to start the process of the manufacturing. Start. Now we are going to generate the code of the machining. Firstly, we would like to select tool, option, and we are going to modify the output, post processor and controller emulator folder, and we would like to select select. The path we will select as the desktop. After that, we are going to modify the path file NC code output and NC documentation location. All of the path location we are going to set as the desktop. Okay. Now we are going to save the code and the sketches that we created. The whole process of the machining we will save as the desktop. Now we are going to minimize the CATIA software. And this is the code of our machining. There will be a few code of our machining, and only the extension with CAT and CC can be shown in the notepad. And this is the code that can be used by all machine or other computer program. Thanks everyone.
Lay